Hello everyone, welcome to massive open online course on fundamentals of chemical engineering. Hello, I am Amol Ghosh, a lecturer of chemical engineering from Kontai Polytechnic. I have done my BE degree from Jadavpur University. Okay, after successfully completion of this course, we will able to understand the units, the basic units, the notation and conversion of units, unit group, unit operation, unit process, the concept of mole, the basic of calculation of mole, mass mole relationship, and volume relationship, volume percent, mole fraction, etc. The some important laws of gas. Okay, we will able to understand the solving of some elementary numerical problems associated with the law of gases. Then the elementary concept of psychometry. At this chapter we will understand about the basic concept of humidity, humidification, dehumidification, and all other things. Okay, then we can calculate the value of humidity, value of dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, dew point, and we will able to understand the psychometric chart, which is very useful for chemical engineers. As a basic, you will understand it, and which will help you to design a cooling tower also. And this things will help to understand the mass transfer subject, which is in fifth semester in diploma in chemical engineering. Okay, then you will understand the mass balance is very important for chemical engineers, which is required for design a distillation tower, reactor, heat exchanger, and everything. Basic mass balance equation you will understand. Then you will understand the concept of recycle bypass system. And in this course everybody will know the concept of energy balance and energy associated with the chemical engineers. The then the names of instrument related to chemical engineering, all is according with the chemical engineering syllabus, you will understand in this course. Okay, the course discuss the major topics as follows: the basic units, notation and conversion of units, mole concept, elementary theory of fluid, elementary theory of psychometry, mass balance and energy balance, and technical aspects. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you for listening.